Hello guys, as promised, here is the video on how to make a video game using Arduino. Firstly, let's see what are the required material. Speaker, SD card module, breadboard, Arduino Uno, a rocker switch, I2C LCD, and some jumper wires. Now you will connect ground of the Arduino to the negative of breadboard power rail. Now we have to connect negative of speaker to that power rail. Now we have to connect positive of speaker to digital pin 9. Speaker connections are done. Now for the I2C LCD part, connect VCC to 5 volts. GND to ground of Arduino. SCL to A5. SDA to A4. I2C LCD connections are done. Now for the SD card module part, connect the CC and ground to 5 volts and ground respectively. For the final part, connect positive of the switch to pin 2 and negative to negative power rail. Now connect MOSI pin of SD card module to pin 11. Now connect CS pin of SD card module to pin 4. Now connect CS pin of SD card module to pin 4. Now connect SCK pin of SD card module to pin 13. Now connect MISO pin of SD card module to pin 12. Congrats, the connections are. But if you still need further help, please refer to this diagram. It is also given in the description. Now for the coding part. The Arduino file for the coding as well as the I2C LCD library is given in the description. You only need to open it. Make sure your Arduino IDE has TMRPCM installed along with I2C LCD library and upload it. The last part, which is the SD card, watch this walkthrough on how to set up your SD card. Open File Explorer. Open SD card. Format SD card to FAT30, to which is default. Then click OK. Wait until the process starts. Click on OK. Then locate the song which you want to be played at the background of the video game. The N pen your browser. Type MP3 to WAV. Scroll down. Then click here. Then set bit resolution 8-bit, audio frequency 16,000 Hz, and audio channel to mono, and then upload the file. After downloading the file, rename it to 1.wav. And and then copy it into the SD card and then eject the SD card and put it into the SD card module. Hopefully you have done everything right, and then start the Arduino and then the game should begin. Be sure to like, share it to your Arduino friends, and subscribe. And type your queries in the comments. I will shout out your name in the next video if you comment.